Can cold tar mix be applied in wet conditions or during rain and still perform reliably? Cold tar requires a dry surface and minimal surface moisture to bond and cure properly, so never apply it on wet pavement or in active rain. Prepare the repair by clearing loose debris and water with a stiff broom, then use a hand torch or absorbent cloths to remove trapped moisture if present. If you cannot eliminate surface dampness, postpone until conditions are dry. Compact the patch material in thin lifts, using a tamper or hand roller, pressing firmly to expel air and improve adhesion. Avoid large single lifts because they trap moisture and voids. Prime severely weathered edges with a bitumen primer when recommended by the manufacturer to improve tack on marginally damp substrates, but only after the surface appears dry to the touch. Follow manufacturer cure times and recheck the patch after the first 24 hours of dry weather to ensure it has set extended cool or humid periods, slow curing, so allow extra time before opening to traffic. Store unused cold tar off the ground in sealed containers and avoid contamination with water to preserve performance for the next dry application window. Common mistakes start with applying product to a visibly wet surface, which prevents bonding and leads to early failure, so always wait for fully dry conditions and check for subsurface moisture by probing with a screwdriver. Another frequent issue is overfilling or compacting in one thick pass, which leaves internal voids and reduces durability. So place material in thinner layers and tamp each layer thoroughly. Finally, people ignore extended curing needs during cool or humid weather and reopen areas to traffic too soon, causing raveling and loss of material. So schedule repairs for several dry days and postpone traffic reopening until the patch is firm to the touch. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and to help contractors find work by connecting them with nearby project leads. We also host a discussion community on the site where neighbors and professionals share experiences, tips, and contractor recommendations.